Roger. Banking. Hold altitude.
King Stallion approaching bearing 045.
Solid copy. Deck is pitching 30 feet. Expect heavy turbulence on approach.
Seahawk systems nominal, ready for transfer.
Hold altitude, fighting the crosswinds. Cargo, confirm the launcher is secure. We are 90 seconds out.
King Stallion approaching the deck, confirm green light for recovery.
Solid copy. Commence approach. Swimmers are clear.
Mayday, mayday, requesting immediate extraction. Roger that, holding course. We're taking fire.
Welcome to where we build the CH-53K King Stallion helicopter. Materials for the world's most powerful helicopter arrive daily.
Every titanium billet undergoes rigorous ultrasonic defect testing. Carbon fiber prepreg stays frozen at -18 degrees. Transmission forgings handle 22,500 horsepower. Steel specimens test to failure, ensuring structural integrity. Honeycomb core provides strength with minimal weight penalty.
Complete traceability links every material to each helicopter.
Honeycomb core provides strength with minimal weight penalty. Verified materials flow to specialized production departments continuously. The blade spar mandrel enables precision structural fabrication. Automated tape laying builds the blade spar ply by ply. Honeycomb core creates thickness without adding significant weight. Titanium leading edge protects against sand and debris erosion. Vacuum bagging prepares the blade for autoclave curing. The massive autoclave cures blades at 180 degrees. The cured blade emerges as solid aerospace-grade composite. Demolding releases the cured blade from its precision tool. CNC routing trims the blade to precise final dimensions. Ultrasonic C-scan inspects for any internal blade defects. Balance weights ensure vibration-free rotation at operating speed. Protective coatings prepare the blade for operational service.
Titanium root fittings transfer all flight loads to hub.
Torque check's good. Safety wire secure.
Verified.
Final inspection authorizes each blade for aircraft installation. 7 matched blades generate 36,000 pounds of lift. Titanium billets heat to 950 degrees for forging. 50,000 tons of force shapes the titanium hub. Heat treatment develops optimal titanium strength properties. Five-axis machining creates complex hub geometry with precision. The complete hub machining cycle requires 40 hours. Precision bearings install using thermal interference fit techniques. CMM inspection verifies every critical hub dimension precisely. The completed hub forms the helicopter's structural heart. The transmission facility builds the most powerful helicopter gearbox. Every gear tooth profile is measured for perfect engagement. Planetary gears reduce speed while multiplying torque output. Split torque design provides redundancy and reduced component loads. The world's most powerful helicopter transmission stands complete.
GE38 engines produce 7,500 horsepower each continuously.
Compressor blades are machined to micro-inch surface finish tolerances. Single crystal turbine blades survive 1,700-degree temperatures. The combustor generates hot gases, driving turbine rotation. Power turbine modules extract energy for rotor drive systems.
Full power test cell runs verify each engine's performance.
Tail rotor systems provide directional control and anti-torque force. Tail rotor hub machining matches main rotor precision standards. Tail driveshaft sections span the entire tail boom length. Intermediate gearbox supports the long-tail driveshaft assembly.
The Fuselage facility builds one of aviation's largest helicopter airframes.
Fuselage frames are machined from single massive forgings.
Bonson's landing gear and crash-worthy external fuel tanks. Major fuselage sections await final assembly into one aircraft. The assembly hall joins fuselage sections with laser precision. Forward and center sections mate with sub-millimeter precision. Automated systems install thousands of precision aerospace fasteners. Tail boom attachment aligns driveshaft and control system routes. The cargo ramp enables vehicle and heavy equipment loading.
Crash-worthy seats absorb impact energy, protecting the flight crew.
Flat panel windscreens provide bird strike resistance and clarity.
The complete glass cockpit represents unprecedented heavy lift capability.
Miles of hydraulic lines connect all powered helicopter systems.
60 kilovolt amp generators provide all aircraft electrical power.
Hydraulic reservoirs supply fluid to independent system circuits. Thousands of wires form the helicopter's electrical nervous system. Integrated testing verifies all hydraulic and electrical systems function. Internal winch pulls heavy cargo up the loading ramp. The 7-blade rotor hub installs on the main mast.
7 main rotor blades install on the titanium hub.
Tail rotor system installs, providing anti-torque directional control.
Retractable landing gear installs in sponsons and nose section.
Final assembly completes the world's most powerful helicopter. The completed King Stallion stands ready for ground testing. 7 main rotor blades unfold, preparing for first rotation.
APU start brings all aircraft systems online for testing.
First engine start preparation reaches the historic moment. 7 rotor blades spin for the first time ever.
Blade track and balance minimizes vibration for smooth flight.
The King Stallion transfers to the ground test facility.
Ground testing complete. The King Stallion is ready to fly.
First flight day. Years of development reach culmination. Test pilots signal ready for historic first flight departure.
22,500 horsepower comes alive for flight.
Chase aircraft captures the King Stallion's first flight maneuvers.
Perfect touchdown completes the historic maiden flight successfully. America celebrates its most powerful helicopter's first flight. Liftoff collision! The King Stallion flies for the first time! The CH-53K King Stallion lifts off, ready for combat missions.
Sierra Kilo activated. All systems green. Requesting clearance for departure.
That's how the CH-53K King Stallion is built for battlefield dominance.
Mayday, mayday, requesting immediate extraction. Roger that, holding course. We're taking fire.
Wave at 11 o'clock, hard left.
Roger, banking. Hold altitude.
King Stallion approaching bearing 045.
Solid copy. Deck is pitching 30 feet. Expect heavy turbulence on approach.
Seahawk systems nominal, ready for transfer.
Hold altitude, fighting the crosswinds. Cargo, confirm the launcher is secure. We are 90 seconds out.
King Stallion approaching the deck, confirm green light for recovery.
Solid copy. Commence approach. Swimmers are clear.